died, and he got up again. That is the central truth of the gospel that we have to get back to right there. The truth about Jesus doesn't evolve. It doesn't adjust. It doesn't modernize. He hung, he bled, he died was the truth back when this was written. And it's also the truth on November 19th, 2025. Guess what? If the Lord allows us to see November 19th, 2026, it's still going to be the truth. The truth does not change. He hung, bled, died, and got up again. That right there should be John. What John is really saying here, he's saying that ought to be enough right there. That should be more than enough for you right there. That right there should be more than enough to give you joy, to make you shout, to make you happy, to make you excited. Him dying and getting up again.